Hey guys, Miss Steele here. So the one of the recipes, the snacks this week, is the dirt pudding. So this you will use your pudding snack that you got, your Oreos, and your gummy worms. So about those gummy worms, Miss Steele messed up. You guys know she loves candy. And so that I wouldn't eat the candy, I made sure to pass out all the gummy worms. And I have none for me, for my snack, because I knew I would eat them and I didn't want to, so I gave them all away. So take your pudding snack. Open it up. Mine is different also because, well, I gave all the others away too, so I had to use what I had in my fridge. So there's my pudding snack. Take your Oreos still in the bag and squish them. Squish them in there. You need to like press on them and press down on them. Get them all squished up in there so that it looks like dirty, like dirt, like crumbs, right? So I'm squishing them all around. And seeing if I still have whole ones. If I have some whole ones, that's fine. You can save them and eat them. But I'm going to squish them all around. Now I'm going to be careful when I open them so that I don't make a big mess. And now I'm going to take my crumbs out of my bag and sprinkle them. So I have my, So I have my pudding and my Oreo. And I have my dirt crumbs. And I'm going to take my crumbs. And I'm going to squish them over and dump them in as the top of my dirt into my pudding snack. And then you guys at this point, so where's my camera? There's my pudding snack. There's my little dirt Oreo mix on top from crunching them all together. And then you can put your little worms in there. And then, oops, pressing a button on the computer. That's not good. You are good to go. Spoon, pudding, and your little dirt worms. And it's just like a little dirt Oreo cookie pudding snack with some gummy worms. But I don't have any gummy worms because I didn't want to eat them. And I gave them all away. But that's one of the snacks. The other one will be the s'mores cone snack. And that will be coming up later. Read alouds are coming up later too. So look for those. You guys enjoy.